Okay, so this is a F-maths question, which you will need to solve with integrating factor. Okay, so how to see that there is integrating factor is that if you realize you bring over, right, you will not be able to use variable separable. Okay, so within a syllabus, there's only variable separable or integrating factor. So for this case, right, dy dx, okay, so plus negative 1 over x plus 1 y is equals to x. Okay, so the integrating factor is actually e to the power of negative 1 over x plus 1 dx. Okay, so if you take out the negative sign, you'll get e power negative ln of x plus 1. Now, I didn't put a modular sign because x plus 1 from here is greater than 0. Okay, and this is actually 1 over e power ln of x plus 1. E power ln x is x, so e power ln x plus 1 is x plus 1. That's why you get x 1 over x plus 1 here. So this is the integrating factor, which we'll need to multiply to both sides of the equation. So therefore, 1 over x plus 1, open bracket, dy dx plus negative 1 over x plus 1, this is the ax, y equals to x over x plus 1. So this is multiplied, the integrating factor is multiplied by both sides. Now, if you convert this, right, you'll see that this will be actually d dx of y, which is this, time divide by the integrating, multiplied by the integrating factor, so divide by x plus 1, okay, which will be equals to x over x plus 1. Now, we can actually do a check if this is correct. So, let's say I want to do a check on this. D dx y over x plus 1 is equals to, you keep down y, negative 1 over x plus 1 square at the bottom. Okay, this is when you differentiate. And then plus 1 over x plus 1 times differentiate of y, which is dy dx. Okay, so you can see that this is actually going to be the same as what we have earlier. Okay, so this one is correct. So all these mini checks are needed in case you make mistakes. So halfway through, we try to do our little check so that you won't waste your effort below. Okay, so now it's pretty simple. We just need to integrate x over x plus 1. Now, integrating x over x plus 1 is pretty simple. It is just integrating x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. So for this, we can actually just switch to 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 dx. Okay, and after integrating x minus ln, again, x plus 1 is positive, plus c, okay, because x plus 1 greater than 0. Okay, so we have no modulus. So your final answer will just be y equals to x plus 1 you multiply over, then x minus ln x plus 1 plus c. Okay, so that is the final answer.